Hey there, and welcome back to another insightful video by Wondershare Dr. Phone. I'm Francisco, and in today's video we're going to explore 5 effective methods to fix your iPhone 15 that won't start issues. Now, we all know the frustration of trying to use our phone smoothly but encountering problems. However, this video will address all of those issues. But before heading further into this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This will help you ensure that you stay up to date when it comes to the latest videos on this channel. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Number 1. What are the symptoms of iPhone 15 that won't power on? So, being an iPhone user, are you wondering if your device is experiencing a power on issue? Well, it's necessary to recognize common scenarios that might signal trouble with your iPhone 15. Now, we will highlight some of those symptoms for you in this video. Blank screen. The first symptom is when you attempt to start your iPhone but the screen remains blank with no activity or display. It's a clear indicator of a power on issue. Unresponsive buttons. The second symptom is that your iPhone buttons must be at fault if the power button fails to respond when attempting a restart, along with unresponsive volume button. Absence of vibrations. Heading on, iPhones usually vibrate during a power on sequence, so if your iPhone device fails to produce this vibration, it could be another indication of the problem. Missing Apple logo. During the iPhone boot up process, the iconic Apple logo might sometimes not even appear at all, pointing towards a booting issue. Charging problem. When connected to a power source, if your iPhone doesn't show signs of charging or fails to display the battery logo, it could signify an issue that prevents charging. Stuck in boot loop. Lastly, when experiencing a continuous boot loop where your iPhone repeatedly attempts to start but fails every time, it is a critical issue that needs immediate attention. So recognizing these signs can help you diagnose potential problems that your iPhone 15 might face. In case you have encountered any of these symptoms recently, there is no need to panic. Rather, just keep watching this video as we will help you immediately explore effective solutions to fix these issues. Part 2. So what are the reasons for a new iPhone 15 that won't turn on? The potential reasons behind the failure of a new iPhone 15 to turn on may originate from various factors. These might include battery depletion, software or firmware glitches, hardware malfunctions, liquid damage, overheating, you name it. Just a combination of these issues impacting the device's operation. Part 3. How to fix new iPhone that won't turn on problem. So facing the issues that we have discussed in this video right after getting a brand new iPhone 15 can be seriously frustrating. But don't worry, we've got your back with some easy fixes that might do the trick without needing any tech experts. So let's go ahead and dive into these solutions to troubleshoot your iPhone and get it running smoothly once more. Fix number 1. Recharge the iPhone 15 battery. So your iPhone 15 is acting hard to reach, right? Well, the first thing that we have to check is if the battery is even charging. So take your original Apple certified USB-C cable and adapter, plug it into a power source and let your iPhone charge for some time. Sometimes these gadgets malfunction when their batteries drain. So look for the battery icon or the Apple logo on the screen when you press and hold the side or power button. In case you don't see any signs of a battery icon or Apple logo, try switching to a different outlet or just use another charger and cable. Also, don't forget to do a quick cleanup of that charging port. Sometimes it might be clogged with dirt buildup, which can also be a reason for this problem. Fix number 2. Try force restarting the iPhone 15. So moving on to our second fix. If recharging your iPhone 15 hasn't resolved the issue, performing a forced restart might actually be quite beneficial to you. This action effectively eliminates temporary bugs and glitches, which could be the underlying issues of the problem. Additionally, a forced restart refreshes the system processes, potentially resolving the issue. We'll now discuss some simple steps to perform this task. Start by pressing the volume up button and quickly releasing it. Then do the exact same thing with the volume down button, then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until you see that the Apple logo starts up. So you're going to continue to do this until you see it show up. And then once the logo appears, release the button and your iPhone 15 will undergo a forced restart from there. Fix number 3. Use recovery mode. As you continue watching this video, we will head to the third fix, which is the recovery mode. For this, you need to connect your iPhone 15 to a PC or a Mac with an operational or operating iTunes or Finder. Now, this method helps in fixing all the system level problems. For further implementation of this method, we're going to go through some stages explained next in this video. So first, as we discussed earlier, you need to connect your iPhone 15 to your PC or Mac and ensure that you have the latest iTunes or Finder up and running. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode to start the recovery process. For this, quickly press the volume up button, then do the exact same thing for the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On your computer, iTunes and Finder will recognize your iPhone 15 in recovery mode. Then you'll see options to either restore or update it, and go for the update option first. This attempt will try to reinstall the iPhone software without wiping your data. If the update is unsuccessful, you have to go with the restore option instead. Fix number 4. Try fixing the issue on DFU mode. If your iPhone 15 is still not responding and won't turn on even after trying the previous solutions, it might be time to give device firmware update or DFU mode a shot. Now, this one's a little bit more serious approach since it lets your iPhone 15 interact with iTunes and Finder without activating the operating system. Remember that going into DFU mode means saying farewell to all of your data, so you must be completely sure about using DFU mode. First, power down your iPhone 15 and connect it to your Mac or Windows computer using a suitable cable. Ensure that you've got iTunes for Windows or Finder for Mac up and running. Now hold down the side button for a solid 3 seconds. While keeping the side button pressed, also press and hold the volume down button. Keep hold of both of these buttons for a total of 10 seconds. Now release the side button, but keep that volume down button pressed for an extra 5 seconds. Then release the volume down button. If your iPhone screen stays lit but remains blank, that's it. You've successfully put your iPhone 15 into DFU mode. Finally, on your PC or MacBook, iTunes/Finder should notice your iPhone 15 in DFU mode. You'll see options pop up to either restore or update. Go for restore to completely reinstall your iPhone's firmware. Fix number 5. The best iPhone 15 supported iOS system repair toolkit. Now, if you've gone through all of the usual fixes and nothing's working, it might be time to bring in the most recommended method, using a specialized software called Wondershare Dr. Phone System Repair Tool. Now, this powerful tool is designed to tackle various iPhone problems like the restart issue, the black screen of death, or even being stuck in recovery mode. It's a professional software that can work effectively for resolving these kinds of issues. Moreover, Dr. Phone can resolve all iPhone issues like a pro without losing data. It can also manage iOS upgrades and downgrades without needing iTunes or Finder, which is really awesome. You just need to follow some steps to fix your iPhone 15 from the won't start issue. Now, let's get to these steps to quickly resolve the iPhone 15 lock screen issue. Just follow the steps performed coming right up. So begin by installing Wondershare Dr. Phone on your PC or Mac. Now, once launched, head to the toolbox from the left sidebar and click System Repair. Following this, confirm your device operating system as iOS. Next, hit iOS Repair among the options available for iOS devices. Then choose the standard repair mode. It won't affect your data from your iPhone at all. Now next, connect your iPhone 15 and follow the on-screen instructions to enable recovery mode on your iPhone 15. With recovery mode enabled, Wondershare Dr. Phone will get the right firmware options for your iPhone 15. Click the download button for the desired firmware. After it's downloaded and verified, hit the repair now to initiate the repair process. Once it's done, your iPhone 15 is very much good to go from there. And with that, today's video has reached its end. We genuinely hope that the solutions provided in this video guide have assisted you in navigating through the process of resolving the iPhone that won't start problem. Your support means a lot to us, so if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and drop your feedback in the comments below. Also, to stay on the loop with all of our latest videos and helpful tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll now meet you in the next video. So until next time, have a good one.